Learn English to Gujarati health words, healthy to dizzy with.
સ્વસ્થ
And.
ચક્કર આવવું.
Welcome to the health circus. Hey, you're about to learn useful Gujarati health words through a ridiculous little adventure. If a goat can learn them, you can too. This morning, you wake up feeling magnificent, dramatic, and slightly overqualified for ordinary life. You stretch like a movie hero and say, "Today I feel."
સ્વસ્થ
And.
feet
Quote. That means healthy and fit. Then your neighbor appears wearing one shoe, holding a banana, and whispering, "I am not."
સ્વસ્થ
I am.
બીમાર.
Quote. Poor neighbor. Very tragic. Also, somehow still holding the banana. Meet the words. Let's meet the star vocabulary one by one. Say them out loud with me, even if your cat judges your accent. Healthy is.
સ્વસ્થ
Example. After good sleep, she feels.
સ્વસ્થ
Sick is.
બીમાર.
Example. He is.
બીમાર.
Today. Tired is.
થાકેલું.
Example. After work, I feel.
થાકેલું.
Fit is.
feet
Example. She wants to stay.
feet
Hungry is.
ભૂખ્યો.
Example. Before dinner, I am.
ભૂખ્યો.
Thirsty is.
તરસ્યો.
Example. After a long walk, I feel.
તરસ્યો.
Injured is.
ઈજાગ્રસ્ત.
Example. The player is.
ઈજાગ્રસ્ત.
After the match. Dizzy is.
ચક્કર આવવું.
Example. After spinning around, I feel.
ચક્કર આવવું.
The very unstable picnic. Now you will hear all the words inside one silly story. Just relax and notice how the meanings stick. You go to a picnic with friends. At the start, everyone looks wonderfully.
સ્વસ્થ
And proudly.
feet
As if a gym advertisement has come to life. 10 minutes later, nobody has packed enough food. Suddenly the group becomes.
ભૂખ્યો.
Then someone forgets water, so now everyone is also.
તરસ્યો.
One friend lies on the grass and says, "I am."
થાકેલું.
From walking 7 dramatic steps. Another spins around to entertain the group and immediately announces, "Bad plan. I feel."
ચક્કર આવવું.
Quote. Then a football appears, somebody kicks it into a bush, dives after it, and comes back.
ઈજાગ્રસ્ત.
But weirdly proud. Finally, one poor soul eats suspicious potato salad and mutters, "I think I am."
બીમાર.
Quote. Congratulations. Your picnic has become a vocabulary lesson. Mini dialogue practice. Let's make the words conversational. Repeat the Gujarati part after each line if you want extra practice. A. How do you feel? B. I feel.
સ્વસ્થ
A. How do you feel today? B. I feel.
બીમાર.
A. Long day? B. Yes, very.
થાકેલું.
A. Do you exercise? B. Yes, I want to stay.
feet
A. Do you want lunch? B. Yes, I am.
ભૂખ્યો.
A. Tea or water? B. Water, please. I am.
તરસ્યો.
A. Is the cyclist okay? B. No, he is.
ઈજાગ્રસ્ત.
A. Why are you holding the wall? B. Because I feel.
ચક્કર આવવું.
Quick memory tricks. Here are a few playful hooks to help the words stay in your brain instead of escaping through your other ear. Think of.
સ્વસ્થ
As standing tall, calm, and balanced. Healthy looks organized. Think of.
બીમાર.
As a person under a blanket saying, "No meetings today, only soup." Think of.
થાકેલું.
As a phone battery at 1%. Think of.
feet
As easy because it sounds close to English fit. Think of.
ભૂખ્યો.
As your stomach making protest speeches. Think of
તરસ્યો,
as a dry throat asking politely for water and then less politely. Think of
ઈજાગ્રસ્ત,
as a bandage, a limp, and a brave face. Think of
ચક્કર આવવું,
as the room turning into a carousel without your permission. Speed quiz. Time for a fast check. Answer before the imaginary game show Goat rings the bell. What is healthy in Gujarati?
સ્વસ્થ,
What is sick in Gujarati?
બીમાર,
What is tired in Gujarati?
થાકેલું,
What is fit in Gujarati?
ફીટ,
What is hungry in Gujarati?
ભૂખ્યો,
What is thirsty in Gujarati?
તરસ્યો,
What is injured in Gujarati?
ઈજાગ્રસ્ત,
What is dizzy in Gujarati?
ચક્કર આવવું,
Your final challenge. Now do one last round with full sentences. You are not just memorizing words now, you are using them. Say, I feel healthy. I feel.
સ્વસ્થ,
Say, he is sick. He is.
બીમાર,
Say, I am tired. I am.
થાકેલું,
Say, I want to stay fit. I want to stay.
ફીટ,
Say, I am hungry. I am.
ભૂખ્યો,
Say, I am thirsty. I am.
તરસ્યો,
Say, the player is injured. The player is.
ઈજાગ્રસ્ત,
Say, I feel dizzy. I feel.
ચક્કર આવવું.
Friendly goodbye. Nice work today. You learned practical Gujarati health words and survived the unstable picnic with honor. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Keep repeating.
સ્વસ્થ, બીમાર, થાકેલું, ફીટ, ભૂખ્યો, તરસ્યો, ઈજાગ્રસ્ત,
And
ચક્કર આવવું.
a little every day. Practice out loud, use them in tiny sentences, and come back tomorrow ready for more.